Shubor nagaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Hadin bagi pulit ke West Garo Hills kilalek ban khanrai ke rempu bagan ke badan hai iden bari hatura bat ya ke balalong try du MDC ke tura Bernard and Marang nagaliang UDGP ke Meghalaya u Dr. LR Bishnoi habai krem bagi nong thok khubor mentasngi ulai thu bagi jing khanra kelane kumbah nyang wadu praganta ulai thu bagi pulit kila ujor bagi ijahar ber utrai jo ketai ke jaka u Bernard Shym ladon setia hakatai ke jaka kapor bala pelong ke jing khanra ki pulit kilayo jing tep baudan ha Shillong bat adin bigilale shaga jaka sa jing u kilalap bumdon shu setia bat ha jing persang bat budin ki pulit kilayo jing tep baudan Hajan kasar Guwahati ha Assam enrei hadin katukat nepor ki pulit kilalap penban bau Bernard ula pilip no ya phone ke jing u.
So yesterday raid started at about 6 p.m. It continued for 7-8 hours and they have recovered some incriminating documents, register, etc. The Tura police has picked up 73 youth. Out of that 26 are female and rest male. They have also rescued 5 number of children. The children were locked in a room and from outside the lock was broken and after that one after another 5 children were rescued and out of 5 one was female. And in subsequent search they have seized nearly 37 vehicles and 47 mobile phones, 30,000 rupees cash and 500 packets of condom and contraceptive tablets and few other incriminating documents. The search, when I last spoken with SP Tura, the search was still going on. The case has been registered already at Tura Women Police Stations under Section 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 of the Immoral Trafficking Act 1956. The owner of that resort, Mr. Bernard R. Marak, he is not found available at his residence or in Shillong. We got the information that he was in Shillong. When the police went there, he was not found there. So now the last location was in somewhere near Guwahati, and after that the mobile phone is sold.